Hello. Welcome back to our new series of Python for Beginners. Python is a popular general-purpose programming language. It is used in machine learning, web development, desktop applications, and many other fields. Fortunately for beginners, Python has a simple, easy-to-use syntax. This makes Python a great language to learn for beginners. Let's get started. First we will learn about functions and strings. Print hello world. A function is a block of code which only runs when it is called. You can pass data, known as parameters, into a function. A function can return data as a result. In this case print is our function, while hello world is our string. Strings in Python are surrounded by either single quotation marks, or double quotation marks. So now let's run this and see what we get. Here is our output. Let's try more of this. Let me copy this and paste it in new lines. Now we have our output. Many of you are wondering what just happened. You see, we just gave the computer 3 commands. The computer replied with this as our output. Let's make it more harder and try this using one function. This is the onEprint function. We will use the plus operator to add together two strings. Okay, we have managed to add all strings using onEprint function, and here's our output. Let's try adding more sense to this. We will use space characters. Okay, now we have a readable text. Let's add line characters to make it more readable. Line characters are used to indicate the end of a line of text. In Python, the new line character is used to create a new line. When inserted in a string, all the characters after the character are added to a new line. Just like this. Comments can be used in 3 ways. These are, to explain Python code, to make the code more readable, or also to prevent execution when testing code. Okay, let's comment all of this and see what will happen. Yeah, nothing happened. Let me clear our terminal for a good view. Here we use asterisk to multiply our strings just like this. This is our output. We multiplied the string hello world by 10. You can try multiply it by 1,000 or more. Just like this. To make it more clear, you can try adding the line character. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the next episode.